Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and security, go to lock screen password, continue, and now select between numeric, pattern or alphanumeric. First let's set numeric and set 6-digit password. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Now again let's set numeric and this time use a different password type. Thanks to this you can select between 4-digit and 4 to 16-digit numeric password. Now let's go to alphanumeric and in the end let's select pattern. Once it's done, we can go back and enter face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, you can go to fingerprint and you have to simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now we can lock the screen and simply tap the sensor to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.